Hello! Welcome to another vlog. We came away for the weekend with my family and I thought it would be really fun to vlog this whole thing because we're crazy. Hi, family!
Hello!
Hi! We got Moody here and my little baby!
Oh, so cute!
The cutest boy in the world. Sam. And then Biggie. Biggie! Biggie! He's like, who's talking to me? Where'd that come from? Oh my god, look at that beautiful, luscious hair.
Stop!
Are we gonna make TikToks together this weekend?
Yeah. Stop it!
Everyone feels awkward in front of the camera, but don't worry, they'll warm up. Just like Moody did. I love spending time with my family.
Why? Because we're on the phone all the time?
Yeah, everybody on the phone.
So guys, just to give you a little backstory, this weekend we came to one of my aunts and my cousins' like weekend house just to get out of Queens, just to get out of the house, just a change of scenery. We've been with the same people that we've been quarantining this whole time, just my family. So I'm so excited to be here. We're literally like in the woods and it's beautiful here. It's really so nice to just be able to get away and get somewhere else other than the house. So I'm so happy. We're gonna be doing just like a lot of fun family time. I'm gonna be cooking a lot. We're all gonna be cooking and I'm so happy to be here with my family. So we're literally in the middle of the woods. It's so stunning, beautiful. We've got a lake right here and yeah, it's just gorgeous over here. This guy jump roping. I'm really excited to be vlogging right now because I feel like you guys have never seen like that side of my family life. And again, like with this quarantine, I told you guys I want to just open up more and film like my daily life. My family is freaking hilarious, you guys. Well, I think they're hilarious. Also, can we talk about this crater on my forehead? I'm already having mimosas upstairs. We are stocked up on food, beer, wine, and I'm so excited. I'm literally living my best life. If you guys have never had these pastries, you're missing out. They sell them. All we hear is you're smacking in the background.
That's how good they are. It's a sound effects.
These, I don't even know what they're called, but we get them in boxes at Costco and they're literally so freaking good. What we got going here? Oh my goodness, this looks delicious. How does it taste?
I don't know. Can you taste it? I'm a little insecure.
Oh my god, look at this. This looks amazing. Wow. I cannot wait to eat that.
This actually tastes so good.
You see yourself?
Say hi.
Hi.
Say what's up, everybody.
Shut up.
Bye. You guys, it's snowing outside. I can't believe it's snowing right now. This is so crazy. It looks so cute though. We got some rice here. Fried rice.
I'm over here. I'm judging Moody because Moody's in the mirror like fixing himself.
And a nice shot of Grand Marnier.
Now I understand you.
Cheers, everyone.
Salud.
Cheers.
Guys. Salud. Love you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. Cheers.
Food.
This is joy. This is
Don't take it.
Oh no, you did not.
I have to.
You are so rude.
I'll get copyrighted if I have music in my video.
Okay.
We're doing my sister's nails, you guys.
Okay.
I got a gel kit from Amazon. So I have my little gel UV light right here. This is my beautiful sister.
Yep. She's a little
She's my
camera
model. She's so
A
pretty.
little shy.
So I got tips, but I'm not using these on her today because she doesn't want to be mas puta. So I'm gonna keep those away. And we have the gel colors here. She's gonna try to choose the nail polish that makes her look like the biggest hoe. So we'll see which one she chooses.
Okay.
And yeah, I'm just filing her nails.
Yep.
And I'm so excited. I'm like basically a nail tech.
We got the wine on deck. It's snowing outside.
And I will show you guys the end result because I really feel like it's gonna come out good, even though she made me do her nails so short and ugly.
Stay tuned.
Okay guys, I finished her nails.
And she fucked up.
No, I didn't. I think they came out pretty decent for my first time doing a gel manicure. What? I'm putting that in there.
You're the worst.
She wants my followers to think that she's single, Sam. What are you up to? What are you up to? I think it came out pretty cute for my first time doing it.
Come out beautiful.
Stunning. Look who it is. What? Oh my gosh. Did you blow dry your hair? Jeez. You look gorgeous.
Oh, thank you. You're making me blush.
Good morning, everyone. We are here having breakfast. Look at this beautiful fruit platter that Sam made. Gorgeous. We had some French toast. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, cutie.
What's your name?
My Wawa.
You're Rai. Yes.
What's my name?
How old are you?
2 Mommy.
You're 2, yes.
Hey, what's my name?
Who's that?
2 Papa.
That's Papa. Guys, I'm wearing the same outfit as yesterday and I did my hair and my makeup because I'm going to use this exposed brick to take some pictures. My photographer. Ready. 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 I think I should block the sunlight maybe because it might... Oh yeah, this is perfect. I think I want it just like that. Wow. I love this lighting.
Got it.
Wow. Wow, beautiful.
Now you gotta wash 3 damn coffee mugs. Take
Alright.
70.
With Dad. You didn't hear him?
Outfit change 3, take that.
This is the last outfit. This lighting here is amazing. Okay, yeah, we definitely got it here, baby. I just finished taking some bomb-ass, fire-ass pictures. Well, I posed for the pictures. Moody took the actual pictures. So now I am getting into cooking, and I'm actually gonna cook with you guys today. I'm making like a little bit of a seafood lunch. So I'm making some crab cakes and shrimp ceviche. So I have my little setup right here. I have these tubs, guys. These freaking, a crab is so expensive. Like these each in Costco were $22. And since there's a big group of us, I got 3 of them. I'm actually so excited for the crab cakes. I hope they come out good. I never made them before, but I'm just gonna do my own twist to it. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm doing along the way, so you guys will see everything. To start off, the first step that you have to do is pour yourself a drink. I love having a drink while I cook. I'm making myself a little mimosa. I have some Prosecco. I'm gonna fill that up a little bit more. And then I like this juice. This is a mango passion fruit. So I just put some of that. delicious. So now we can officially get into this recipe. I'm cooking for 6 people, so I'm hoping that these 2 are enough, but if I feel like it's not enough, then I'll just go ahead and add in the 3rd one. But I'm gonna start off with chopping up some cilantro. I love cilantro. Also, a very good tip and secret, a lot of people like to cut the stems off when you're cooking with cilantro, but that's where most of the flavor is, so you always want to keep the stems when you're chopping it. So I'm just gonna chop that up really finely.
Chop it up, chop it up.
Moody went to take a shower, which is why I had some peace and quiet, but clearly he's out of the shower because you could hear him. So since this quarantine, I've literally been just so inspired to start cooking more. I actually realized during this time that I love cooking. Like, I just love putting things together, learning how to do different recipes. Like, I actually really enjoy it. I know a lot of people don't like cooking. It definitely is a lot of work, but I just love it. Who else is obsessed with the way cilantro smells? Did you guys know that the English word for cilantro is coriander? I had no idea. All right, so I just chopped that up to put that on the side for now. Now I'm gonna go in with my bowl and my crab meat. Another thing I forgot to mention, you're gonna wanna buy the lump crab meat. Just because in crab cakes, you want it to be this like lumpy texture. You don't want it to be like that hairy, like very thin crab meat. Nice juicy crab meat in there. Throw in the cilantro that I had. Just like a little handful. Now I'm using 2 different kind of breadcrumbs for this. I'm using this one to throw into the mixture now just to make it a little bit bready. And then I'm gonna use the Panko breadcrumbs to fry them and coat them, just so they could come out a little bit crispier. So I'm gonna do about 3 spoons of that. Just regular plain breadcrumbs. I'm throwing in 1 egg because this is gonna keep everything sticking together. I might need 2 eggs, but we're gonna see like how well it sticks together because I am using 2 cans. Then I'm gonna go in with some mustard. I'm using 2 spoons of mustard. Then I'm going in with some mayo. I'm taking 2 big spoons of that. Then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this, and this is, I have no idea how to pronounce this freaking word, but it is Worcestershire sauce. I literally have no idea how to pronounce this, but it's really good. I accidentally stopped filming for this second, but I put about 2 teaspoons of this Worcestershire sauce. And now I do some of the dry seasonings, like a teaspoon of salt, and then a teaspoon of pepper, maybe a little more than a teaspoon. The very last step is I'm going in with a lemon to add a little bit of like zest and acidity. I'm gonna squeeze it into my hand first so that the seeds don't get in there. Now the second half. Okay guys, now everything is in here and ready to be mixed. When you mix it, you don't want to mix it too hard because you don't want it to become like super pasty. You just want to make sure everything is evenly mixed because you want that crab meat to stay like piecey and chunky. Now I'm gonna start just making the cakes. I've obviously washed my hands and I'm just gonna make them. I don't want them too thin. I want them to have like a meaty center to them. I'm just putting these into cakes right now, and then I'm gonna put them in the refrigerator for maybe like an hour, and just so they could get a little cold and like solidify that way. And once they get like that, I can bread them so they'll stay like kind of like solid together.
Playground parks with the trees and the cars, brownstone buildings with the kids on the porch, murals on the walls for the ones that we.
I'm so happy, you guys, because for 6 people it made 2 crab cakes each. So 2 of those cans with the ingredients was literally the perfect amount. Fresh out of the fridge. And I have my oil in the pan. I'm gonna bread these with Panko seasoning, Panko breadcrumbs, and then pop them into the frying pan.
peace, stress free, and let it be. God got a bigger plan for you and me. Let peace, stress free, and let it be. God got a bigger plan for you and me. Let peace, stress free, and let it be. God got a bigger plan for you and me.
What's the name is connected?
Okay, so this is the plate. We made some ceviche. If you guys want the recipe, I can make a separate video for this. But this is how everything looks. It looks delicious. We got some crab cakes, ceviche, shrimp ceviche, and crab cakes. I am literally so excited. Oh my god. Wait, how was it?
This was
I knew you were gonna do that.
this was amazing.
How was it?
I didn't like it too much, you see.
We have empty plates.
No, seriously, I didn't like it. They're horrible.
Ew. This is what I call balance. Let me see that. He has the mimosa mix in his hand. And the glasses for everyone. And now we're just starting a fire. Our bellies are nice and full. We just came in here to chill. The weather's actually really nice. And we're gonna make s'mores, right, puppy?
Yeah.
Yeah? You know we couldn't come to the woods without making a drink station. This is just a bunch of stuff mixed in there. It's champagne, orange juice, mango juice, and a little bit of Grand Marnier liquor, which is my family's favorite. Then we have some straws that say me plus wine equals yes. My family here. Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning. We are packing up the house, packing up our food, getting ready to leave this wonderful place. I don't want to leave, but I gotta go. I wanted to show you guys this really cute little corner that my aunt has set up. She has her Keurig here, a little regular coffee maker, and then just like stacks of mugs and sugar, extra coffee, and then the little coffee pods down here. I just thought it was so cute. Like, I love this little corner. Coffee bar, especially for my family. Everybody in my family is literally obsessed with coffee. I thought that's really cute. It's actually a coat rack, but she used it to hang mugs, which I thought was genius and such a cute idea. Ryder, come here. Can I have a kiss?
Yeah, because
Now give me a kiss.
that can stay out. I feel bad for you.
I love you. What are you showing? Your Spider-Man cup?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you doing?
And it begins.
Chloe's tired of me vlogging.
Stop.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Okay, ready? Hey guys, it's Chloe's Secret. So I just made a jelly sandwich for my kid.
Oh my god, so,
So-
creative.
But right now, I know, I took,
So
I
creative.
basically, let me tell you the recipe. So I basically used this Pepperidge Farm cinnamon swirl, but it is really good, guys. I love it. And then I used the Welch's Concord jelly. I don't really like jelly. I usually use jam, but this is all we have here. I'll link it down below if nobody knows. Welch's. See? Do you see it? It's WELCH.
Make sure you don't buy strawberry.
Yeah, the grape. It has to be grape. Because then your sandwiches will just come out mediocre.